Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to do this blue theme baby shower baby birthday decoration. So let's get started. So here I'm going to use navy blue balloon which I got from Amazon and pastel blue balloon which I got from eBay. So they have different sizes like 5 inch, 10 inch and 12 and 18. Inflate 10 inch and 12 inch balloon into different sizes and then make duplets. Prepared all the duplets and then you need to cross it over like so and then you will get quad. I am finding longest neck of the cord and then tying together. So that's called cluster. If it's difficult for you to tie, you can follow the further step. Here I have two cord and instead of tying, I'm going to cross it over and secure it like so. So you can follow either method you like. Here I have prepared all my cluster. I have got 7 cluster for navy balloons and 5 cluster for the pastel balloons. So our next step is putting them together into balloon garland. For that you will need nylon string, balloon ribbon, or you can use long balloon. So I'm going to use long balloon to assemble this balloon cluster. I simply tie a long balloon into the neck of one cluster. I'm placing the other cluster on the top and pulling the long balloon through the center and crossing it over so that it's secure properly. So you need to repeat this step again until it finish, and when you can't stretch the long balloon enough, you just tie it there. So you need to repeat the same step, grabbing another cluster and adding into the main cluster. I made one more cluster including navy blue balloons and then added to this balloon garland. Keep it aside and assemble remaining cluster. I'm tying 2 cluster together. If you can do so, otherwise just skip this step. I'm repeating the same step and assembling them together. Here I have 2 big cluster and I'm combining together using long balloon. I hang them on my backdrop using balloon ribbon. I will show you further. Here I am hanging the balloon garland which I kept aside. All you need to do is tie the ribbon and then stick that ribbon on the back using strong sellotape. Tie some more places so that it's secure properly. If this method doesn't work for you, you can use command hook as well. For a finished look, I am going to use 5 inch and 18 inch balloon. You can put them together as a quad or cluster, or you can use individually. So you can randomly fill the space using glue dot. I randomly use 18 inch balloon on the sides. I made one more cluster and added on the bottom. So guys, I hope you like my videos. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.